I will talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you list like this here. Click on profile, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. Then all you have to do, just go above this sign, click on it here. Then it's going to show for you this like this here. Click here on settings, click on it here. So then you come to this list, just go down here, click here on notifications filter, just click on it. Then come to this list here, just go down. You come here to content, share it in comments, click in this sign. Then like you see this color show for us, that's me content, share it in comments, notifications enable with us now. Then you just go above save, then it's going to save with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribing.